this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off your PS5 controller when it's connected to your iPhone. And this is rather simple to do. So you can see my controller is turned on. All I want to do is just hold down this middle button right here, the PlayStation button. So just hold it down. So I'm going to count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. About 13 seconds it will take for my controller to manually shut off, and it will be disconnected from my iPhone now. So you can still see it under my devices. So I can select DualSense controller right here. I can go into the Bluetooth settings, and I believe if I press the I can just forget the device right there. So it's still connected. All I have to do is press the PlayStation button, and it's going to reconnect to my iPhone. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on YourSixTech.